Our next award is the TCT Industrial Product Application Award 2023. Industrial products work behind the scenes to keep our industries running, whether it be factory automation equipment, farming tools, or material handling machines. There is little that is not touched by an industrial designer. 3D technologies are being increasingly adopted by this sector to drive unique developments. The highly commended project in this category is Freshwater Pump Impeller by MX3D in partnership with Engie. Well done. Congratulations. And now, the winner of the TCT Industrial Product Application Award 2023, sponsored by Joel, is Refinery Pressure Components by Lincoln Electric Additive Solutions in partnership with Chevron and Stress Engineering Services.
Chevron and Lincoln Electric Additive Solutions collaborated to qualify and manufacture pressure components that were installed in a hydrogen furnace of a Chevron refinery. The large-scale components weighed 225 kilograms and were printed with nickel 617 wire using gas metal wire arc AM. In less than a month, Lincoln Electric delivered production parts totaling over 2,500 kilograms of deposited wire.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are excited and honored to receive this award, and we thank TCT and the judges. I want to introduce representatives of this fantastic team that delivered on this project. I'm Mark Douglas with Lincoln Electric Additive Solutions, and with me is Brad Barnhart, one of our spectacular engineers, Robert Ritu, representing Chevron, and Patrick Boster, representing Stress Engineering Services. This was an incredible collaborative effort between these companies to design, qualify, and manufacture components used in a critical application in a very compressed time frame. Many long days, but we had fun and are very proud of this achievement. Thank you.